Your tomato plants look healthy, until they don't. One day it's buds and blossoms. The next, yellowing leaves, no fruit, and a harvest that's as empty as a scarecrow's stomach. But what if I told you, the culprit isn't a bug or the weather, but who you planted next to them? Welcome back to MKIRIKACHA TV, where we don't just grow plants, we grow smarter gardeners. Today we're revealing 9 dangerous neighbors you should never plant near your tomatoes, unless you enjoy heartbreak in the garden. Stick with me to number 9. Most gardeners never see this one coming. Before we dig in, tell us in the comments, where are you watching from? Let's build a global gardener family below. Cabbage may look innocent, but it's a nutrient hog. It competes with tomatoes for the same goodies in the soil, leaving your tomatoes weak, stunted, and bloomless. Imagine planting a friend who steals your lunch every day. Yep, that's cabbage. Tomatoes and corn? Great in a salad, not in the soil. Both invite the same pests, especially moth larvae. Double the pests, double the headache. Trust me, the only thing you'll harvest here is disappointment. Broccoli fights tomatoes underground. Both are heavy feeders and only one will win. Spoiler alert, it's usually not your tomatoes. If you want both, plant them in separate corners like siblings who can't share. Fennel looks fancy, smells amazing, but it's a loner for a reason. It releases compounds that inhibit growth, not just tomatoes, but beans and kohlrabi too. Fennel doesn't play well with others. Young dill? A charming friend. It even repels aphids. But once it matures, it turns toxic to tomatoes, damaging roots and stunting growth. It's like inviting someone to your house who eventually kicks your door down. Tomatoes and potatoes are cousins in the nightshade family, and they fight like it. Same diseases, same pests, same nutrients. Planting them together is like throwing a family reunion and inviting blight to the party. Eggplants love drama. They carry blight and spread it fast. One gust of wind and your tomatoes could go from green and lush to brown and broken overnight. Keep eggplant on the other side of the garden. This one's wild, a tree that poisons the soil. Black walnut trees release juglone, a chemical that literally stops other plants from growing. Tomatoes may survive nearby at first, but when the roots reach them, game over. Another brassica, another soil sucker. Cauliflower and tomatoes feed so heavily they leave your garden soil emptier than a farmer's fridge during drought season. Want full fruits? Keep these two apart. Your tomatoes work hard to grow. Don't let poor plant pairing ruin their future. Keep these 9 troublemakers out of the tomato circle and watch your harvest explode in size and flavor. Drop us a comment below. Where are you watching from, and what companion plants have worked or failed for you? Smash that like button if you learned something new. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a tomato-saving tip again. Share this video with every gardener you know. It might just save their crop. This is MKIRIKACHA TV, where smart gardens grow. See you in the next one.